Hi, in this video I'm showing you how to make crispy pork belly rice paper rolls, and today I'm eating mine with peanut satay sauce that I've made. They are fresh, clean and gluten-free as well. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, ingredients you'll need: roast pork belly, carrots, cucumber, mint, lettuce, bean sprouts, pre-soaked rice noodles and chilies. And of course your rice paper. So dip them in some water on each side, put it on your bench and add your favourite fillings. Now you can take your time, there is no rush. I like mine nice and full. So here I go, adding a pile of my favourite ingredients and chilies to top it off. Now it's time to roll. You're going to pull the back to the front slowly. Once you've rolled these a few times, you'll get it and it will come easily. Now don't forget to add the sides in, like I'm doing here. Roll, 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 you good thing. These rice paper rolls are good for a snack or even a nice light lunch. Now see how easy that was? Once you've eaten one, you want more. And there you go, all done. Cheers, thanks for watching.